let us learn today how to add a new category to a website. Okay. So here, once you log in into your admin, just onto your left side, you see something called as products. Click on products. Under products, you see collections here. So click on collections. Collections is nothing but a category. So when you want to create a new category, okay, Shopify nomenclature, they use it as a collection. Click on that, and then you can write down the new category that you want. For example, let us name this as testing, and then you can describe about this collection. Otherwise, if you don't have any description, just leave it. Keep this as manual, the collection type, so that you can assign the collection to the sub collection and all that. And then onto the right side, you can add an image which comes onto the front end on top of a category. Otherwise, if you don't want that, just ignore it. Once you do this, click on save. So here you have created a new category. This is the method to create a new category in Shopify backend.